Kenya kaachiel kod komiti maloso ng'we mag Nairobi City Marathon ochwalo tielo mar adek mag ng'wego kowuok tarik 7 dweni nyaka dwe mar 9 bang' bedo gi lalruok gi jokanyo kaachiel kod jong'wech. Riwruok mar AK olando ni ng'wego ibiro bagi tarik 8 dwe mar 9 ka jogo mapok oyudo thuolo mar ndikore bende koro mi thuolo mar timo kamano. Tarik 7 dweni mano chan ni ng'wego biro timore bende en odiechieng' mar Saba Saba ka ng'anyo madhi nyime pacho ka igeno ni nyalo bedo odiechieng'no gino ma bende omiyo ng'wego koro chwal nyime.
Once we open the plenary, then they can ask the journalists in...
Anybody who feel that maybe they did not plan for the next marathon and maybe they had other engagements within this period and they wish to be refunded, definitely there are systems that have been put in place. We have their telephone numbers. If they wish to be refunded, they will be refunded anytime they feel like. But if they want to continue, we appreciate that. But as far as their refund is concerned, yes, automatically they'll be sent their money back and everything that they might have used will be taken care of to make sure that nobody is inconvenienced.
It is always good to listen and to adjust our program as it is. So we have accepted and we said, let us adjust the program to 8th of September. And so let me also take this opportunity then to thank those who have already registered, to ask those who have not registered to take this particular time and register in big numbers, because we would like to see this third edition being the big